Parashah, Parashat Shelakh. Moshe Rabbeinu sent the spice to Eretz Israel. From the beginning, it was a doubt about that. Moshe Rabbeinu himself, he called Hoshea bin Nun Yehoshua. He changed his name. Chazal say why? He told him, Hashem will save you from that dead people. So, if Moshe Rabbeinu had even doubt about the results, what will happen, why did he send them? He could prevent it. He didn't get an order from Hashem to send them. Hashem told him, do what you want to do. Hashem gave the decision to Moshe. So why did he send him? He sent them. But the answer is, I heard from my father, alav shalom. We have to look at that story about the results. In a way, it was very bad. But in different way, if we think, it was also good. Suppose that spice would come back and say everything is okay. Eretz Israel is very nice. We can go, we can win. And they would start to make a war, to fight against the people in Eretz Canaan, to conquer the Eretz Israel, and everyone will get his farm, everyone will have a place, nice place. What about the Torah? They just got the Torah, Ma'amad Har Sinai, short time before. So to learn Torah, it cannot be one day, or 1 week, or 1 year, or 2 years. It had to be long time. So they couldn't have an opportunity to study Torah, to have knowledge of Torah. Everyone in different place, everyone has work, he has to plant and to sell, to buy. Everyone had to be busy, businessmen, busy. And what about the Torah? Maybe they will have 1 hour in the morning or 1 hour in the evening. That is not enough. So what Hashem did? Hashem told Moshe, do what you want. If, has v'shalom, something bad will happen, what will happen? They will stay in the desert for 40 years. 40 years, they became Talmidei Chachamim. 40 years, they had food, man, had drink, water from the well of Miriam, and they had clothes, and they were sitting and learning Torah from the morning until night, all the time. It means 40 years, 600,000 avrechim, kolelim, yeshivot. Everybody was student of yeshiva, students of Moshe Rabbeinu. The best teacher, it means the best students. All of them were learning Torah and Torah and Torah. They became Talmidei Chachamim. They have knowledge of Torah. Then they entered Eretz Israel with the wisdom, with the Torah. They could continue to be business people and also to have knowledge of Torah. So it means, first of all, we have to work very hard to be Talmidei Chachamim, to know Torah. Before we think about business, to think about Torah.